That was a good show.
Well, last week I taught you how to paint using the brush.
Good show.
Pieces, is he?
Yeah, just talk, Rusty. Don't paint, Rusty. Don't talk. Don't rust. Just paint, Rust.
Sus think abstract art can't be taught.
I think I think.
Abstract art. What color would you choose?
Purple.
That's right.
Purple.
That was a good show.
It's
And bicycle.
yes.
A painting sold for $7.
So he paid $70 and got $5 and paid nothing and got $5 million in return.
Hold wire. Now we're onto something.
No, we're not.
Now we're onto something.
No, we're not.
Good.
If you can teach a computer to paint, you can teach a computer to make a...
Good show. Good show.
Fruit.
Good show.
My lucky shirt.
How about this piece? It's one big scam. Whoa.
How many of you would buy a painting of a blue cock?
How big is it?
99.9. No one wants to crap when they look at the blue crap. Our only remaining threat is from some joint in France called some operating a furniture reupholstering business out of the gift shop.
I didn't mean to destroy the art world.
Painting with... Can somebody sign for this?
I'll take it. There you go.
That's your name?
What of it?
Oh, thank you. I was having no small difficulty breathing. Hello?
Down to our nearly total domination of all worldwide Walmarts.
How about the...
Down to the key to
The good show.
is doing whatever you did before, doing whatever you did before, doing whatever you did before.
Is it just a popularity contest?
Yes.
Everyone's trying to warm themselves in my life.